Junior 3. How are you today? Today we're going to go back to Dinosaurs Before Dark, and we're going to pay special attention on how we talk and write about the past, about what Annie and Jack did into the woods, about what dinosaurs did in the past. So you will have to follow me, watch, and read all together, okay? Well, let's look at Jack and Annie. Where did Jack and Annie go? Where did they go? They went into the woods. They went into the woods. Look at the tree house. Jack and Annie were in the tree house. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Jack and Annie were in the tree house. Jack read a book about dinosaurs. Let's continue. Wow! Now, let's talk about us. And we're going to talk about my summer holidays. Let's read together. Where did you go? I went to the club. Now you repeat. I went to the club. Second one. What did you do? I swam in the swimming pool. Now you can repeat. I swam in the swimming pool. Excellent. Let's continue. Okay, we're going to go back to the story. Look, who do we have here? Repeat after me. They saw a Pteranodon. They saw a Pteranodon. What about the Pteranodon? The Pteranodon flew up in the sky. What else about it? It had bat-like wings. Okay, excellent. Remember the Pteranodon? It was nice, and his skin and his fur was fluffy. Yes? Let's continue. Oh, wow! We have a different dinosaur now. Which is this dinosaur? Do you remember? This dinosaur is the Triceratops. And let's continue reading about the story. Annie saw a Triceratops. Great. Now you can repeat. Annie saw a Triceratops. Let's continue. The Triceratops ate what? He was a herbivore, so the Triceratops ate plants. Excellent. Let's continue. These are all scrambled. Let's move them. It was nice. Excellent. Annie saw a Triceratops. The Triceratops ate plants. It was nice. Excellent work. Let's continue. Okay, here we have 2 dinosaurs more, because we are back to dinosaurs that we have been talking and reading about and sharing a lot of information. Okay, Do you remember its name? I will give you some seconds to remember. Which dinosaur is this one? Okay, very good. This is a velociraptor. Excellent. Okay, so let's create a sentence about a velociraptor. We can say that velociraptors ran very fast. Excellent. You can repeat that. Velociraptors run very fast. Very good. Okay. And which dinosaur do we have here? Yes, you're right. A T-Rex, the fierce carnivorous dinosaur. What can we say about it? For example, that T-Rex couldn't run like the velociraptor, but it walked. Very good. You can repeat after me. T-Rex couldn't run, but it walked. Excellent work. Let's continue to our last slide. Okay, we have lots of actions here. Okay, let's read together. It says, some things change when we talk and write in the past. Okay, and I have some actions in orange and I have some in pink. Okay, we're going to see together the difference and we're going to try to understand and to learn them little by little. So, for example, if I talk about today, I can say that today I eat an ice cream, for example. But if I want to talk about what I did yesterday, yes, I will have to change that. So I will say that yesterday I ate a milanesa. Today I can talk about, let's see, I go to my balcony. But if I want to talk about yesterday, about the past, I have to use went. Yesterday I went to my balcony. The same happens with swim, for example. If I want to say that during my summer holidays I swam in the swimming pool, I can say it like that. We can say that aeroplanes fly, but for example, we can say that the Pteranodon flew up in the sky. Very good. Okay, let's continue. We have see. I can see you. I can see my screen. But Annie saw a triceratops coming. Yes? We can also talk about some things we can do, for example, that if we want to say that the T-Rex, for example, could not run, we're going to change it. Then, one more. Follow me. We have be. Be, for example, I am at home, you are at home, but where were Jack and Annie? They were in the tree house. Yes? Excellent. Okay. For example, we can talk about some things we have today. I have a beautiful dog. Yes? But if we talk about something that happened before, we can say that, let's think, that the T-Rex had very tiny arms. Very good. Okay, now we have the verb run. Okay, I ran very fast. But what about the velociraptor? It ran very fast. Remember that when we talk about dinosaurs, we talk about them in the past because they don't exist anymore. Now they are fossils. Let's continue with read. I can read today, and Jack read a book about dinosaurs in the story. Excellent. One last more. Okay, one last one, sorry. And one more, the last one. Okay, we can say that we walk in our parks. Yes, we can go out and we can walk there. And let's think about the dinosaurs. Yes, they walked on the soil. They were together. Okay, wow, everybody. We have read lots of changes that happen when we talk and write about something that happened in the past. For example, when we talk about dinosaurs, when we talk about Jack and Annie's story. Okay, please watch the video again. You can go over all the actions and the sentences and you can repeat after me. Okay? Excellent. We're going to continue with this tomorrow, and I hope to see you all at our Hangouts Meet session. I love you.